Hey, what's up, traders? Hope you had a Merry Christmas. It's December 27th, 2020. I had to think about it for a second. And I'm back here in my office in Nashville. It's taken a little bit to get the Wi-Fi going on here. As most of you all probably know, there's a bombing of all things here in town on Christmas. So everything's okay. I think only a couple people were killed, I think one person. And but anyways, all the Wi-Fi, cell phones, dude, it's been crazy. Everything's been down here, and they're just now getting everything back online. So getting back in action. It's the market's opening soon, and it's gonna be a pretty short video. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm thinking extreme volatility. Between Brexit passing, this like bombing, the election still being up in the air. It's still up in the air right now. Everything is just starting to accumulate. And I've been saying this for weeks now, nearly a month since the election happened, that we haven't heard the end of it, and everything's just going to keep growing and growing and growing. So I think that means a lot of risk off, some potential dollar strength, yen strength, and we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then New Year's Eve, and then New Year's. So it's going to be an interesting week, to say the least. We had some super low liquidity last week, and then that's rolling over to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday with typically what could be what normally, let me put it this way, normally is pretty quiet, turning out to be potentially a big week for us. So all right, so the big thing is like we had I guess right before the markets closed, a Brexit deal that took place, and there's such low liquidity in the market. There's either two things that could happen. Either we still gap up and make that move, or we just get this huge gap down here across the board. And GBPUSD, pound yen looks really good, because that would mean this being a false breakout here. Where's my false breakout flag? Boom. Yep, just put a little flag there. So this is a big deal, right? So depending on where we open on, and it's going to be in like 5 minutes, so I might still be shooting this video. So that the thing is Brexit's been in the work for a long time, and now that they finally got a deal, the deal really isn't that great, it seems like. Oh man, pound CAD looks amazing here for this false breakout. If this does accumulate, we had these moves lower, and then here's that gap higher on I guess it was Thursday, right? Yeah, so Thursday. And so if we close back inside of this trend line here and below these levels of resistance and support, these zones, it's gonna be game on for pound CAD. I think this is looking like a great setup here, depending on where we open when the market comes. But the thing is, we'll be trading back inside this triangle, back inside this structure and formation here, and there's a lot of good targets on the way down here. So really just getting super fine-tuned on what's happening with the pound here. There's gonna be a lot of opportunities as we move forward in the week. So pound dollar, that's pound CAD. And we'll see where the market opens up here. Last but not least, here's our pound dollar, right? So man, this is looking good on so many different levels. False breakout here, one push, two push, looking a lot like some potential double top action. So we're breaking back inside this line, and that's going to open the door for a big move lower. Here we are in the 38.2. I guess we'll adjust this. Keep in mind the market hasn't opened yet, so we don't know exactly where these levels are going to be. But well, the 61.8 looks good. So does the 78.6. But also keep in mind that it's a three-day trading week, and markets, things kind of reset a little bit on after January. So I'm not rushing to jump into anything too quickly, but there could be a great opportunity for some good positions here on pound pairs, especially if we get our positioning right. So that being said, we'll see where the market's open. Thanks for watching. Let's crush it this week, everybody. Click the link below to check out my programs. I hope to see you in there. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Peace.